Dear friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Gaurav Bharat Kumar, working as assistant professor in the department of CSE. In the last class, we have covered the concept what are the stochastic games, why we are using the stochastic searching algorithms. In today's session, we will move to the stochastic searching algorithms. We will start the definition of stochastic searching algorithm. Actually, the stochastic searching algorithm is also called as upper confidence bounds for the trees. It is a combination of Monte Carlo tree search and upper confidence bounds. What is the meaning of upper bound, lower bound, exact bound? Already we are covered in the design and analysis of algorithms. What is the meaning of upper bound? Here we will consider the upper limit. Okay, so at the time of lower bound we will consider the lower value. At the time of exact, at that time we will consider the exact point. Suppose our aim is to purchase a mobile. Suppose the mobile cost is 5000. Okay, in that situations now we will tell what is the meaning of upper bound, what is the meaning of lower bound, and what is the meaning of exact bound. Now we will start with the upper bound. The mobile cost is 5000. At the time of asking the parents, we will tell that father, the mobile cost is 8000. So we want 8000 rupees for purchasing the mobile. Actually, what is the exact cost? 5000. But we say that the mobile cost is 8000 to the father. Okay, in that situation we will consider the upper bound. Okay, so here the mobile cost is big O of 8000. Okay, so what is the value of greater than or equal to 5000? That is the meaning of upper bound. Less than or equal to 5000, suppose we will ask 3000 or 4000, 4500, 4999. Those are considerations of lower bound. What is the meaning of exact? Exactly we say that the mobile cost is 5000. I want 5000 rupees for purchasing the mobile. Okay, that is the meaning of exact bound. I hope all of you understand about the upper bound, lower bound, and exact bound. Here we will see what is the stochastic searching. It is a combination of Monte Carlo and upper confidence bounds. That means here we will consider the time complexity of upper limit. Okay, so in these situations maybe may or may not. Okay, here we can't say that definitely. Here we got the solution. Okay, so here we will consider the upper bound. Next, what are the stochastic searching algorithms? One of the algorithm is Monte Carlo search. Another algorithm is Tableau search. Actually, at the time of traveling salesman problem, already we are discussed in the design and analysis of algorithms. And the third one is evaluationary algorithms. In that evaluationary algorithms, we have covered evaluation strategies, evaluationary programming, genetic algorithms, and genetic programs. Now we will start the Monte Carlo search. What is the meaning of Monte Carlo search? At the time of dices, at the time of randomized quicksort, we will consider the Monte Carlo algorithms. Okay, so why we are using the Monte Carlo searching algorithms? To develop the game trees to some fixed depth or some fixed width. In that situations we will consider the Monte Carlo searching algorithms. It run simulations from each leaf node. Okay, now we will discuss the example also, no problem. So it use results of simulation to assign a value to the parent node. Okay, so now we will see what is the Monte Carlo tree search, how we will form the Monte Carlo tree search. Here we will consider the parent node, chain nodes like that. Here it is a method for finding the optimal decisions in a given domain by taking random samples where we are using the random samples. In the situation, simply we will consider the stochastic searching algorithms. Here also we will consider the Monte Carlo tree search for applying the stochastic searching. It is one of the stochastic searching algorithm. Monte Carlo ideas are applied to game playing and planning problems in the artificial intelligence. That is the advantage of Monte Carlo tree search, because it completely depending on the random samples. Now we will see what is the process, how we will construct the tree. Here a tree is built in an incremental and asymmetric manner. Here what is the tree policy? It is used to find the next node to be expanded of the current node. Now we will look at the example also, no problem. Here one simulation is available for running the select node, and the search tree is updated according to the result in the goal state. Here also our aim is to move from the root node to the goal node, okay, the goal state. Here we have 4 steps to complete the process. One is the selection, another one is the expansion, third one is the simulation, fourth one is the backtracking. With these 4 help, now we will solve the stochastic searching algorithm by using Monte Carlo tree search. Now we will see the overview of Monte Carlo tree search based algorithms. First we will consider the selection. Here our aim is to move from the parent node to the child nodes. So in that situation we will select, okay, select the parent node. We will select the possible path to find out the root node. That's why please observe the first selection. Here we will consider the with the help of a red line, okay. Here we will move from n to n3. Here which branch is the most promising ones we have tried all at least once. So in the expansion we will move from one level to the another level. Here we will expand towards an arbitrary unexplored child in the selected branch. Now our aim is to find out the goal. So with the help of terms and condition, now we will move from one position to another position to find out the goal. In the expansion, definitely at the end of the expansion, here we will find out the goal, okay. That is the second step. Now we will move to the third step. Here the simulation is available. At the time of find out the goal, here we will apply one simulation, okay. So here we are using the random, okay. That's why randomly execute actions until the goal state is reached. At the time of reach to the goal, we will apply the simulation. Please observe the third point, okay. So this is the okay, this is the goal. That's why we will apply the simulation at the goal state, okay. Now last but not least, that is the back propagation. Already we are find out the goal state. Now we will apply the backtracking from the goal state to the parent state. Please observe the directional arrows from the goal state to the level 1 node, that is n3. After that we will move from n3 to n, okay. So this is the overview of pages in Monte Carlo tree search based algorithm. This is the explanation about Monte Carlo tree search. What is the meaning of selection? What is the meaning of expansion? What is the meaning of simulation? What is the meaning of back propagation? So let us start with the selection. Here we will start from the root node, okay. So we will select from the root node capital R and select successive child nodes until a leaf node. Here our aim is to select from the root node to another level child node, okay. So that means the leaf node. Here the root is the current game state and a leaf is any node that has a potential child from which no simulation has yet been initiated. Here we will not consider any simulation. At the time of goal find out, at that situation only we will consider the simulation, okay. That is the process of selection. In the expansion, in this situation we will move from starting state to the goal state. at the end of the goal, definitely we will find out. Suppose we will consider one game, either here the goal is either win or loss or draw. Okay, at any chance, because it completely depending on the luck. Okay, sorry, it completely depending on the luck. That's why here the solution is either win or loss or draw. Okay, so at the time of goal state reached, we will apply the simulation. That is the third point. Suppose we win the game, then we will apply the simulation. Suppose we will lose the game, then only at that situation also we will apply the simulation. Suppose the game is draw, in that situation we are also apply the simulation. Okay, so that is the meaning of simulation. Here finally we are apply the backtracking from the goal state to the parent node with the help of directional arrows. This is the process of Monte Carlo search. Here we will consider one small example. At the time of selection, we will consider the root node to next level, where the goal is available. Okay, here in this particular example, we will select selection and expansion is the same process. Okay, at the time of goal is reached, we will apply the bold here. Please observe. Okay, the circle is with the bold. So in that situation, we will apply the simulation at the goal state. Please observe the here dotted lines. That is the meaning of simulation. Finally, we will apply the backtracking from the goal state to the parent node. Okay, this is the process of Monte Carlo tree search. Here we will consider another example. Here also we will apply the same process. First we will select, after that we will expand to the goal state. In the third step we will apply the simulation at the goal state. Finally we will apply the backtracking. In this example also we will consider capital R, A, B. Please simply ignore that here the probability values. Okay, no problem. Simply ignore the probability values. 1 by 6, 1 by 3, 0 by 2, those that. Okay, so here also we will apply the selection, expansion, simulation, where the result is occurred, either win or loss or draw. Okay, finally we will apply the backtracking from the goal state to the parent node. This is the explanation about this is the information about stochastic searching algorithms. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.